this fact sheet, Emergency Response to the Ebola Crisis by the World Bank, and it is horrifying. It reports that there are 3 countries responsible primarily and where the Ebola virus is centered. Those countries are Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone. Have a look for yourself here. And it says in bold, if the virus continues to surge in the 3 worst affected countries, that's Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, and spreads to neighboring countries, the 2-year regional financial impact could reach $32.6 billion by the end of 2015, dealing a potentially catastrophic blow to already fragile states. Economic costs can be limited if swift national and international responses succeed in containing the epidemic and mitigating fear resulting from people's concerns about contagion, which is fueling the economic impact of $32.6 billion. And this is really a horrifying report that has not been reported in the media completely. I mean, you may have heard that there was a World Bank report, but no one spit out this number of $36.6 billion as an economic cost just to those 3 countries. That's it. The World Bank is supporting country responses in line with the WHO roadmap and is coordinating assistance closely with the United Nations and other international parties. And it says that it's mobilizing a $400 million financing package for countries hardest hit by the crisis, including $230 million announced in August of 2014 and an additional $170 million announced in September of this year, 2014. And it says of that $400 million, $117 million is already dispersed to countries and implementing agencies, including $58 million for Liberia, $34 million for Sierra Leone, and $25 million for Guinea. And it goes on, and it's quite extensive. And it says that, it ends with this. It says, we are at a dangerous moment in these 3 West African countries, all fragile states that have had strong economic growth in recent years after decades of war and poor governance. It would be scandalous to let this crisis escalate further when we have the knowledge, tools, and resources to stop it. Tens of thousands of lives, the future of the region, and hard-won economic and health gains for millions hang in the balance. And that is the quote of Jim Yong Kim and Paul Farmer, the World Bank Group president and Harvard University professor, according to the Washington Post.